Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my pumpkin spice latte. So for this recipe, I'm using some espresso. If you don't have an espresso maker, you can just use some really strong coffee. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. So the main thing you're going to need to make this recipe is your pumpkin spice syrup. And I made this in my last video, so if you want to see how to make that, I'll leave the link below for you. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of your pumpkin spice syrup. Now, if you're not into coffee, you can put this syrup over your pancake or your waffles. Oh my goodness, it just tastes so good over those. Last week when I posted my video of my pumpkin spice syrup, someone commented and said that they were going to put it over their French toast, and oh my goodness, that just sounds so good to me. I'm just using my scale so I can measure out 4 ounces of espresso. The way I like it is 4, 4, and 4. So 4 tablespoons of the pumpkin spice syrup, 4 ounces of espresso, and 4 ounces of milk. But of course, you can make it how you like it. Stir that really well to mix everything together. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me. I had my milk heating up on the stove, so I'm just adding my 4 ounces of warm milk. Now I'm going to use my little frother to froth the milk, and this one was really cheap. It was like less than $10 at the store. I'm going to see if I can find a link and leave it below for you. I'm just doing this for about 20 seconds or so because I don't want the milk to be too thick. Now I'm just going to pour this in my cup and give that a good stir. Oh my goodness, you guys, this just tastes so good. It tastes like the one from Starbucks. I don't know, you try it and let me know what you think. Well, I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, you can tag me on any of my social media at Cooking with Shirani. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.